Nakim sir?
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please take your seat. What's your roll number?
So my roll number is 232459.
It's 282359.
Sorry, 282359.
Okay. So your good name?
My name is Ankur.
Your preferred medium of communication in this interview will be English or Hindi?
English, sir.
And you are equally comfortable in Hindi as well?
Yes, sir.
You don't mind if we ask questions in Hindi?
It's okay, sir.
You will be comfortable, right? So Ankur, let me tell you at the outset that it has been almost 1 year since this COVID-19 pandemic became a reality.
Yes, sir.
And the crisis is yet not over.
Yes, sir.
So we all, as part of our commitment to best practices and protocol to contain COVID-19, wearing mask and maintaining a safe social distance. So it is up to you. You can take a call on this. You are at liberty to put off your mask, or you can continue our conversation with mask on.
Sure.
The idea is if you put it down,
Yeah.
the effective communication will be channelized.
Okay, sir.
And since we are
remove it.
maintaining a safe distance, there is no harm.
Sure.
Especially when you are not showing any kind of active COVID-19 symptoms.
No, I don't have.
Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Ankur, please give a brief description about your academic achievements without making mention of your caste, creed, reason, religion, and any kind of social affiliation. Just tell me something about your personality so that we may take forward the conversation.
So my name is Ankur. I have done my graduation in chemical engineering from IIT Kharagpur. After that, I have worked as a wild and field engineer in Baker Hughes, an upstream oil and gas company. I was posted in Saudi Arabia for 2.5 years. I worked there till 2018. In 2018, I left my job to start preparing for civil services examination. And from 2018 onward, I am giving this examination.
So whatever you said that you have been, handsomely paid in your previous, employment,
Yes, sir.
somewhere around 4 lakh per month.
Yes, sir.
So we can confirm from this that money is no longer a calling for you if you intend to be part of civil services,
Not
right?
at all. Not at all.
So
Sir.
what is your inner calling? Why you want to be here?
Sir, there are basically two reasons for this. When I thought of choosing civil services as a career, it was during my childhood days. In my childhood days, there have been several instances in my life where I have seen lots of violence. There have been murder cases. I have seen police apathy also. In my case, even the city administration was not good. I've been a victim of some incident.
So you want to take revenge of?
No, it's not about that, sir. So at that point of time, I started to analyze. I started to get to know about the public administration, that what exactly the public administration is all about. From there, I got an initial motivation that I want to do something for the society, the victims like me. There have been lots of criminal cases over there in India. If I become a part of the system, then I'll be able to deal, I will be able to contribute to this society in that manner. So from there, I got the initial motivation. But then after that, I went to IIT. I got a good handsome job over there. But then when I was in Saudi, again, I realized about this dream. And this time I thought about this career in a more mature way. And there I got one answer for myself, that if I join this service, I'll be getting lots of diversity of job in this career. So on that basis, I decided that I should prepare for civil services examination. So.
Okay, Ankur, it is not a secret that crime against women are spiking at a very abnormal rate.
Yes,
if the recently released data by NCRB is
sir.
anything to go by, right?
Yes, sir.
With a special reference to Uttar Pradesh, where you are aspiring to be
Yes,
part
sir.
of civil service, can you please tell me what is your model of crime control, especially rural women? So before giving reply, I'm making things clear for you.
Yes, sir.
Or rather, I am just making the question easy for you.
Yes, sir.
So take into account the circumstances, the general circumstances in which women are living in rural setup, rural template,
Yes,
the kind of vulnerabilities that they are facing. And in order to overcome your suggestions, and mind it, when you are suggesting, these suggestions should be out of box and have the capacity to be practically seeing the light of the day. And those suggestions should not be redundant solutions which are already being practiced by the police forces and have not yielded considerable result.
Yes,
You
sir.
got my question?
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead.
Sir, for especially regarding the crime, if we see the deep reason behind that is basically the moral education part, sir. The moral education is lacking in the crowd of the people. And if we see, if we want to bring the changes in the society, the only one thing which can transform the society is through the education, sir. So if we, especially in Uttar Pradesh, where the literacy rate is only 67%, if we work hard on the moral education parts, for example, like the, recently new education policy of 2020.
You
has
want moral education should be part of the educational curriculum system,
Curriculum
right?
system, yes,
Okay,
sir.
that is one point. Then,
Yes, sir. And second is any crime against women should be expedited as soon as possible. So the fast track courts have already been established for this. But if we see the reports, again, there has been a delay at the part of the courts.
fine, fine. The matter should be expedited.
Yes,
Rest.
sir. The third is there should be a proper counseling session, and there should be awareness about the rights at village level, sir.
Okay,
For
what
example,
else?
like through Nukkards and
These
other
things are already underway. Many NGOs are exhibiting Nukkad Natak to create massive awareness
Yes, sir.
among the rural folks. So these are already underway. Okay,
Yes.
one last chance. Anything new?
I'm not able to.
Okay, fine. Sir, please puchiye.
Mr. Ankur,
Yes, sir.
you are from Meerut.
Yes, sir.
Meerut is a very historical city.
Yes, sir.
Tell us at least 3 striking features of Meerut from diversified period. Means one should be from ancient,
Yes, sir.
one should be from medieval, and third one from modern.
So from ancient, Meerut name itself has been on from Ramayana. There the Meerut name has come as Maidanav. The earlier name of Meerut was Maidanav, sir, and it became Meerut. So this was from the ancient. From a medieval point of view, I don't remember any instance. From modern, it's a revolt of 1857 in Meerut.
Okay. According to the pronunciation,
Yes,
the
sir.
spelling of Meerut
Yes, sir.
should be MERATH, like something like that.
Yes.
But it is MEERUT.
Yes, sir.
Do you know why?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Recently, some sites has been added in Ramsar places.
Yes, sir.
One is from UP. Are you aware of that?
Ramsar site. Sorry, sir. No,
No idea.
I'm forgetting the name right now, sir. I have read about this, but I'm
Okay.
forgetting. the name.
Geography is your optional.
Yes, sir.
You should know at least
Yes, sir.
these things. Okay. What is difference between normal lapse rate and adiabatic lapse rate?
Sir, normal lapse rate is the decrease in the temperature of the environment as we move upward through altitude. And adiabatic lapse rate is the decrease in the temperature considering the volume of the gas as constant, sir.
Are you sure? You are a chemical engineer. You have engineering background.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by adiabatic changes? Leave it, adiabatic lapse rate, all that. What do you understand by adiabatic changes? The term adiabatic.
Sir, can you give me some time to
Sure,
think,
sure.
sir?
You may have studied all these things in
Sir,
your
ideal gas
engineering.
situation, I know about it, sir.
No issue, Ankur. Last question from my side. Leave it. What are your weaknesses?
Sir, my weaknesses mainly is right now is Hindi, sir. I'm not very good at Hindi speaking. Not the speaking part, but the technical words which I'm working right now. And the second weakness which I feel is regarding sweets, sir. I love sweets a lot. So
Okay. Thank you, Ankur. That's all from my side.
चलिए वीकनेस से ही बात शुरू करते हैं।
yes, sir.
हिंदी बोलने में परेशानी होती है?
नहीं सर, हिंदी बोलने में परेशानी नहीं होती है, बट मैं अपनी वोकेबलरी को जब देखता हूँ, बहुत बार जो लोग फ्लुएंटली हिंदी बोलते हैं एंड देन जो टिपिकल हिंदी जो हार्ड वर्ड्स होते हैं वो मुझे थोड़े उस पर मैं वर्क कर रहा हूँ अभी आज के टाइम पे।
तो इससे किन किन संकटों का सामना करना पड़ता है? वीकनेस की जब हम बात करते हैं
यस सर।
तो वो आपके व्यक्तित्व का कोई एक ऐसा हिस्सा हो सकता है एक ऐसी कमज़ोरी हो सकती है जिससे आपको नुकसान उठाना पड़ता है।
यस सर, बहुत बार मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक्चुअली अभी मैं जब भी खाली टाइम मिलता है तो मैं हिंदी पे ज़्यादा वर्क करता हूँ, अपना एक हिंदी वोकेबलरी को बहुत अच्छा स्ट्रॉन्ग करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, बिकॉज इट्स माई मदर टंग सर। एंड मैंने कहीं ना कहीं 10th स्टैंडर्ड के बाद हिंदी को पूरा नेगलेक्ट ही कर दिया था। उसके बाद जब फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैंने यूपी पीसीएस का 2019 में एग्ज़ाम दिया, तब उस टाइम पे मैंने स्टार्ट किया पढ़ना वापस। तो उस चीज़ को मैं एक एज अ चैलेंज मानता हूँ कि जब मैं किसी भी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में कहीं पे भी मैं बात करूँगा, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि रेदर देन इंग्लिश आई शुड बी टॉकिंग इन हिंदी सर।
ओके, तो आपका शौक तो रिसाइटिंग हिंदी पोएम्स है।
यस सर। सर ये लास्ट 3 ईयर्स से मैं इसी चीज़ पे वर्क कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पोएम्स अच्छी भी लगती हैं और एट द सेम टाइम उससे मेरी वोकेबलरी भी और अच्छी होती जा रही है अभी।
तो कंटेम्प्रेरी हिंदी लिटरेचर वर्ल्ड में
यस सर।
कौन कौन से पोएट्स को आप जानते हैं जो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं?
सर कंटेम्प्रेरी में मनोज मुंतशिर सर इज़ देयर, देन सर राहत इंदौरी सर, ही वर्कड इन उर्दू एज वेल एज हिंदी एज वेल, एंड देयर इज
What do you know about
आलोक
राहत
श्रीवास्तव
इंदौरी
sir.
साहब?
Sorry?
What do you know about राहत इंदौरी साहब?
Sir, he has wrote many poems in Urdu, sir, and he has been he's from Indore. तो सर उनकी पोइट्री बहुत फेमस थी सर।
राहत इंदौरी साहब हैं अभी?
नहीं सर, इन फरवरी में उनका देहांत हो गया।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है। यूपी गवर्नमेंट इज गोइंग टू एस्टैब्लिश अ न्यू सिटी, न्यू नोएडा सिटी।
यस सर।
What UP government wants to aim?
Sir, the main aim is to
What is the plan behind new Noida city?
They want to develop it as an electronic city, sir. So they want to make an electronic manufacturing cluster.
Which areas will be covered in this city?
Sir, area near Yamuna Expressway, sir.
You are making guess or
सर
you
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक
know
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग,
about this?
सर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिटी के बारे में अभी यूपी बजट में भी बोला है। एंड इसके अंदर जो यमुना एक्सप्रेसवे के पास जेवार पोर्ट के पास, जेवार एयरपोर्ट के पास इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग क्लस्टर्स का बनाने का निर्णय लिया गया है सर।
तो न्यू नोएडा के बारे में आपने सुना था?
सॉरी सर, न्यू नोएडा के बारे में नहीं सर, सॉरी पता।
अच्छा, नोएडा का फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
न्यू ओखला इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी सर।
अच्छा, मिशन शक्ति अभियान के बारे में सुना है आपने?
यस सर।
क्या है इस अभियान की खासियत?
सर मिशन शक्ति अभियान बेसिकली 2 फेजेस में चलाया जा रहा है। फर्स्ट फेज़ के अंदर अवेयरनेस जनरेशन किया जा रहा है, जिसमें कि वुमेन एज अ रोल मॉडल सेलेक्ट किए जा रहे हैं और उसमें अवेयरनेस प्रोवाइड कराई जा रही है अबाउट द राइट्स टू वुमेन। एंड देन सेकंड जो इसका फेज़ है वो ऑपरेशन शक्ति है, जिसके अंदर जो ईव टीजर्स हैं उनको पनिशमेंट दिया जाएगा एंड देन रिफॉर्मिंग देम थ्रू पिक्चर्स ऑन पब्लिक प्लेसेस लगाकर रिफॉर्म के लिए।
ठीक है, आपको लगता है कि महिलाओं को सशक्तिकरण के लिए रिजर्वेशन की वाकई ज़रूरत है?
Sir, I feel, in my opinion, yes, it should be, because if we see their representation at parliament level in politics, we find very low participation rate. In Lok Sabha, it's only 14% participation of women over there. So if we add some reservation for women, then it will be helpful for them, sir.
रिजर्वेशन के प्रावधान महिलाओं के लिए
जी सर।
संविधान में कहाँ लिखे हुए हैं?
Sir, Article 46 is talking about educational and economic interest of weaker sections के लिए लिखा है सर, and Article 16 में उसका प्रबंध है सर। Article 16 and Article 46 सर।
अभी महिलाओं को नौकरी में आरक्षण है?
सर नहीं, अभी नहीं है।
नहीं है?
नहीं सर।
आप जिस परीक्षा में जाने वाले हैं वहाँ महिलाओं को आरक्षण मिला है?
जी उसमें है, सॉरी सर, ये से है।
अच्छा, ठीक सर।
Ankur, can you please tell me something about SLP, special leave petition? Who all are authorized to file this petition, and which is the court where this can be filed?
It can be filed in Supreme Court, sir.
Under what circumstances?
If one is not satisfied with the judgment of High Court, then he can file a special leave petition in Supreme Court to get it hearing, sir.
Okay, anybody whose case has been terminated at the High Court, and he or she, if not satisfied with the verdict, has an opportunity to file an appeal by way of a special leave petition in Supreme Court. This is what you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Tell me, if one has occupied a public office for which one is not entitled, fine, you feel that the genuine claimant of the office is you,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
What kind of writ you will be filing and where?
Sir, I can file a writ in Supreme Court as well as in High Court. In Supreme Court, the writ name is Q Warranto, sir.
Q warranto.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. My last question to you. See, when motion of thanks after presidential address
Yes, sir.
at the beginning of the fiscal session,
Yes, sir.
fine, first session of the fiscal year, has been defeated in both the houses of parliament. What is the political implication of this particular thing?
Sir, government will fall.
Government will fall.
Yes, sir.
Do you think automatically this will lead to the fall of the government? The government of the day will put in its paper, or the central government, the president will ask the prime minister to prove its majority on the floor of the house, in lower house, Lok Sabha?
Sir, president will ask to.
Are you sure
prove the
about
ma-
this?
I'm not.
Just make a distinction between the two.
Okay, sir. If I see if the motion of thanks is being failed over in both the houses, that means there is no.
What if, let me ask another question. What if the motion of thanks has been passed in the Lok Sabha but defeated in the Rajya Sabha? What will be its implication? Will the government fall?
No, it will not.
Why?
Because ministers are responsible to the Lok Sabha. That is, Council of Ministers are responsible to the Lok Sabha itself, and the non-confidence motion, it can be there in Lok Sabha.
Why
only.
do we say the Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to the popular house and individually responsible to the governor and the president, whatever be the case? If it is the case of state legislative assembly, it is the governor, and it is if it is parliament, it is the president. Why do we say?
So,
Why they are individually responsible to the president in case of Indian parliament?
sir, individually responsible because they have to give the answer for.
Are you sure about this? Are they answerable to the president?
No, not to the president, sir.
Then
Sir, can you please pardon your question, sir?
you want me to repeat the question?
Yes, sir.
See, we generally say the Council of Ministers
Yes, sir.
is collectively responsible to the popular house and individually responsible to the president or the governor, whatever be the case.
Individually responsible to the president because president can ask the question to the ministers, sir, and they have to answer. Because yes, he can ask for the
You are
advice, sir.
confusing between the two things. Okay, whenever you go back, just look into the case.
Okay, sir.
Fine. It was really nice talking to you, Ankur.
Thank you, sir.
Your interview comes to an end. You can go now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Please take your seat,
you,
Ankur. So, how was your performance as per you?
So very bad.
See, Ankur, you are a potential candidate. Fine, given to your illustrious background,
Yes, sir.
and since you are an IIT graduate,
Yes, sir.
means landing into IIT is itself a dream for many people actually, and you have finally accomplished that dream. So it's but obvious that expectation of the board will be very high,
Yes,
and
sir.
you have to accordingly, perform.
Yes, sir.
In case you don't perform, then things will not be in your favor, I tell you, without mincing words, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have to justify the expectation by your able performance, right? For that, at the outset, let me tell you, you need immediate haircut.
Yes, sir.
You are wearing a very shabby look, I tell you. Fine,
Yes,
the
sir.
kind of see, you should express your commitment for the purpose first. That should be manifested even in your preparation, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't feel offended,
Yes, sir.
but I am being a little blunt on this. Like when you are coming for the mock interview session, you just presume that this is going to be your final day. This is my final final session, final interview.
Sir, I'm really
And
very sorry.
accordingly you will give your best. Fine. So there will be little scope when you are yourself committed to giving your best. You will try your level best. You will leave no stone unturned to ensure that you are giving your best, and that way the follow-up will be, we will be able to find fault in minimum areas to the extent possible. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now
Sir,
Instead of
actually,
giving you some other feedback other areas, we are concentrating on your look, of how you should dress yourself and other things. Fine, that should be taken care of. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So if you are committed today,
Yes, sir.
you will remain committed tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Fine.
So there is a reason for this. Actually, 2 days back, UPSC result has come and my name is not there in the list. So I was totally confused.
See,
so इस वजह से अभी मैं generally-
failure and success, these
Yes.
two things are part and parcel of your life.
Yes, sir. I know.
Failure is never ending,
Yes, sir.
and success is never final.
Yes,
We
sir.
keep shuttling between the two positions every day, every year, or throughout our life, I tell you.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So
I
if
see.
situations have the potential to change what I am,
Yes, sir.
it means I am surrendering to the situations. I am buckling down before the situations. Fine.
Yes, sir.
And you have rightly mentioned that you are a hard working, you are a man of commitment. Let this commitment come out of you.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Definitely, sir.
You were not selected yesterday or day before yesterday. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So that doesn't mean the end of life.
Yes, sir.
You know, God, man proposes, God disposes. Fine. If God has some big plan for you, just wait for the right time. Why you are feeling disheartened? Just give your best. Fine. This was a bit to motivate you. Just
Yes.
come on your wheels. Fine.
Yes, sir.
And ride on the road without fearing where you are going. Fine.
Okay, sir.
You should concentrate on riding. You should not, meet with an accident. No matter what is the pace with which you are moving.
Yes,
So that should be taken care of. See, whenever any opportunity is coming your way wherein you can justify your candidature,
Yes, sir.
just seize that opportunity.
Yes, sir.
Fine. The first question, you faltered a bit. You were not able to consolidate your opinion. If you are so passionate about many issues, about women rights, decreasing the crime against women, you should, give a holistic overview of the problem, the remedial measures. And see, we are not at all interested in you just enumerating, enunciating those traditional methods which have in long run proved to be counterproductive. You just come up with your ideas. If we are extending you an opportunity, seize that.
So I was not.
This cannot come overnight. Fine.
Yes.
This cannot come overnight. You need to develop synergy and connect with many pressing problems of the society. So that was one point.
Okay, sir.
And see, this casual approach should be overcome. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Means ki even if I don't know, we are having certain kind of bias because of your look, we are in many situations concluding that you are having this casual approach, maybe because of the hangover that we are having, looking at you.
Okay, sir.
So, and yes, whenever you are making mention about your weakness, see why we are asking about your strength and weakness. We just want to know how much you know about yourself.
Yes,
We
sir.
are interacting with Ankur. Let Ankur give a picture who Ankur is without going through the vital details contained in your detailed application form. You should have a glimpse of your personality.
Yes.
You should be honest enough to make an analysis between what your strength is and what your weaknesses are. You cannot be so irresponsible. You have filled in Hindi is your mother tongue and you are saying not speaking good Hindi is your inability limitations. How can you say this?
Okay, sir.
You just take care of this. Don't mind. Fine.
Yes.
You just take care of this. You should be mindful whenever you are tackling these questions. On the face of it, it may appear these are very simple questions. Mind it, these are very potential questions.
Yes.
See, I can say one question, tell me something about yourself, has the potential of giving you 90% plus marks, depends on what kind of reply you are giving, and reducing your performance to less than 10%.
Mm.
How you consolidate things, how you are packaging your reply, that makes a difference. Certain current affairs things need to be brushed up.
Okay, sir.
And with regard to Indian polity questions, see, whenever you are not sure about things, don't jump the gun. Even if you are just tempted to attempt to that question and you are not sure about it, you just ask the permission of the board. It is not possible for everybody to mug up all the things and be accurate all the times on all the occasions. Fine. So ask for the permission from the board, and you can definitely do well. You have been very engaging in our conversation. You are a promising candidate, no doubt about this. May you come out with flying colors if you work on the...
Sir, actually, I have given 2019 interview as well. And today's performance, if I compare both the interview, then yes, today's performance was much lower than that, because in 2019 I was maybe it's because of the hangover. I will try to come out of the hangover of the UPSC and get back to the.
You will definitely
yes,
do
sir.
well. No doubt about this, Ankur. All the best.
Yes, sir.
Because you have a very impressive background. ठीक है? If people like you are taken to the administration, and you will be an asset. You will not be a liability. Fine, you will be an asset. You will work tirelessly for system improvement by, making use of your experience and knowledge. So all the best. May you come out with flying colors.
Thank you, sir. And just about haircut and
Get a
sir,
haircut and कोट वगैरह चेंज कर लीजिए, थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा. आप you have been earning a very huge amount, man. 4 lakh per month. Go for a good suit.
ठीक है सर.
और छोटा कीजिए थोड़ा सा अपना बाल. बहुत वो ऐसा लग रहा है, बिल्कुल ऐसा लग रहा है किसी साइंटिस्ट से हम लोग इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. अच्छी पर्सनालिटी आपकी तिब्बी की. आप रेडिएंट नज़र आ रहे हैं.
प्लेजेंट हैं,
Pleasant हैं
आप ऑनेस्टी झलक रही है और उसको थोड़ा सा
ठीक है
और
सर.
एज भी कम है आपकी.
हाँ.
तो 27.
कम है ना. ठीक है.
थैंक यू सर.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
ठीक है.